To begin, we need to know the difference between youn, and youn. The Creole word youn means A or N, and the Creole word youn means the same thing as youn. And now we only have to focus on the word youn. There are three ways you can use the word youn. You can use it as the pronoun one, you can use it to say one of, and you can use it along with the word lot to say one another, each other, the other, and so on. To use it as the pronoun one, say youn whenever you would say one in place of a person or object in English. Suppose you want to say give me one in Creole. That would be ba mwen youn. To use youn for saying one of, say youn na in situations you would normally say one of in English. For example, to say take one of these. In Creole that would be pran youn na sayo. And for instance, to say one of the women. In Creole that would be youn na fiyo. And finally, to use youn for saying one another, you need to use it along with the word lot, which means other or another. For example, to say love one another, that would be reme youn lot. For example, to say one after the other, in Creole that would be youn apres lot. Overall, as you can see, using the Creole word youn is fairly simple. For more lessons like this, please visit howtocreole.com.